Hey, what's going on, YouTube? And welcome back to Tech Conversations. Firstly, if you haven't already, make sure to check out Luxalgo. Luxalgo is an AI trading and charting platform. Their AI turns plain language into live back-tested strategies backed by the largest indicator library in trading. And I've covered many of their premium features in the past on my channel. Go ahead and check out those videos. But right now, if you sign up to Luxalgo by using my link in the description below, you can get up to 35% off their premium features. Keep in mind, you can also try 30 days risk-free, so why not try them out? So go ahead and check out Luxalgo. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Also, make sure to check out the Discord, completely free to join. I'll put a link to it in the description below as well. We're almost at 11,000 members in here, so thank you to everyone that's joined our Discord. Now let's get right into today's video. So, Robinhood keeps releasing brand new features. It feels like every single week now. And so they just released another new feature this week that was actually voted on by users at one of their past events. So, just for background, what Robinhood did at that previous event was they had people that were in attendance vote for which feature they wanted Robinhood to implement the most. And so this dividend tracker was actually the one that got the most amount of votes. So we knew this feature was coming. So we take a look here, rolling out later, under rolling out later here, which again, it started rolling out this week. I have access to it and I'll show it to you here. We have the dividend tracker. So this will help you view historical and upcoming dividend payments in one place, improving your tracking of passive income earned from holding dividend paying stocks. So, like mentioned, they released this to me this last week. I'm going to show you what it's all about. Now, to be able to view this feature, you will need to be on the Robinhood mobile app. If you try to search for it here on the web, you will be able to see it here under quick links, but when you click on it, it will tell you to switch on over to the mobile app. So let's go ahead and let's switch on over to the mobile app. Let's take a look at this brand new feature. So here we are on the Robinhood mobile app. Now there are two very easy ways to find this new dividend tracker feature. So the first way is you search up a stock that you already own that pays a dividend. So in my example, I'm going to search up IVV. So IVV is just the S&P 500. So in my managed account or my Robinhood Strategies account, I own 1.68 shares of this ETF, and this ETF pays a dividend. So if you go to a stock or an ETF that you already own that also pays a dividend, and you scroll down, you should see this dividends section here. So this section here is relatively new itself, and it gives you all the different information for the dividend for that particular stock or ETF. But to get to the actual dividend tracker, we just click on the View All Dividends link at the bottom of this dividend section. So if we were to click on it, as you can see, that would take us to the dividend tracker. Now, the second way to get to it is if we go back to the search section here and we clear this at the top, you just have to type in here dividend. And once we type in dividend, notice here under quick links, the first thing under quick links is dividend tracker. View your dividend earnings. So if you click on that, that will take you directly to the dividend tracker. So those are the two very easy ways to get to this new feature very quickly. Now, once we are on the dividend tracker here, how do we use it? So let's go through that here. So at the very top, there is going to be a drop down. So this drop down is where you can select the account that you're interested in viewing when it comes to the dividends for that account. So you can see I have multiple accounts on Robinhood. So here I can select, okay, which account am I interested in looking at for the dividends. So let's go back to my managed account. Again, this is the Robinhood Strategies account I have. This is managed by Robinhood themselves. And so once you've selected the account that you want to view, here next, underneath that, you can select what year you want to look at. So right now, by default, it's on the latest year, 2026. But you can go back to previous years. So I opened this account last year. That's why there's only 2026 and 2025. But you can also do max here. So all time. So we can go all time. We can look at what happened last year. We can look at what's happened this year so far. So you can go back and select the year you want or max. So I'll just leave it as 2026 here. So now underneath that, we can see how much we've made in dividends for the year, or if the year is not over yet, how much we've made year to date. So year to date in my managed account, I've made $34.22 in dividends. Now let's click on this little icon to the right of it. So this is just a very small, helpful section here that helps you understand dividends. So if we read this, the total at the top shows your net dividends paid year to date, dividends received from holdings minus dividends paid on short positions. Estimated annual projection is based on your current positions' expected dividends, excluding any special dividends. There's no guarantee of any future payments and is intended for informational purposes only. So if we take a look here, right under that, in this little green font here, we see it says $3.04 paid early. So what does that mean? So Robinhood recently released a different feature called early dividends. So that allows you to receive dividends on stocks and ETFs, certain stocks and certain ETFs, earlier than usual. So this is saying I've made $34.22 in dividends year to date. Of those, $3.04 were paid early or early dividends. And then right underneath that, we can see the annual projection. So right now it says $68.06 annual projection. So again, what this is saying is based on my positions right now, by the end of the year, that's what I'm projected to generate from dividends. What my account, this specific account, is projected to generate from dividends here. So that's how you read that. Now, underneath that, we have an interactive chart. And so we can see the breakdown for each month. So we can take a look at what happened in January. So notice above the chart, it tells me how much I received in January from dividends and the amount of payments. And then I can slide to the right. Then I can take a look at what happened in February, then March. And then as you can see, I can keep sliding. As you can see in June, we started getting some early dividends, also in May. And then right now, July, as you can see, just ended. And right now we're currently in August. So August is not over yet. And so you can also take a look at the projected potential dividends. So if I go to September, Robinhood says I'm projected to make $10.34 and 17 payments. For October, I'm projected to make $5.43, 11 payments. And I can take a look at November and December as well. So you can interact with this chart here. Now, let's get on to the bottom part of this dividend tracker, which is where you can see all the yielding positions. So what this means is these are positions we either currently own right now or we did own in the past that are generating or generated us dividends. So, first of all, here on the right, you can sort it out. So, you can sort by total earned, yield, or symbol. And then, of course, we can scroll down to see all the different positions here. So again, this is my Robinhood strategies account. This is managed by Robinhood. So you can see all the different positions they've purchased for me that again, I currently still own or I did own that have generated me a dividend. And you can see on the right, how much it's generated me. So $13.57 for the top one. 30-day yield, it gives us the yield there, 3.59%. And then on the left, we can see the ticker symbol and how many shares we currently own if we own any shares. So what's nice about this is you can click into each of these to look at it closer. So let's click on IVV again. This is where we started. So IVV, if we click into it, you can see here, right? We have on the top right, you can view this stock or ETF. You click on that, it's going to take you to the account page for that stock or ETF. And then, as you can see, we can see how many shares we own here, how much we've received year to date, the annual projected amount, dividend per share, the next ex-dividend date, and the last pay date here. We can also click on view payment history at the bottom, and it's going to take us to this screen right here. So you can take a look at the history for that particular stock or ETF here. So there you guys have it. This is Robinhood's new dividend tracker. You guys asked for it and it's here. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Check out the Discord, a link to that in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys next time.